Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and make a guide on the Waterfall Quest because many of you in Runescape have been asking me how to complete it and whatnot, and rather than having to go through 7,000 people walking them all through it, I'm just going to go ahead and make a guide, and hopefully y'all will all come to my YouTube channel and watch it. So what you are going to want to do is come to the waterfall in Runescape, and that's right outside of Ardenouge, which, yeah, I really only call it Ardy. And you're going to want to go to the very top house and talk to Almera. Almera is going to tell you about her son being in down the waterfall and ask you to go talk to him. So you're going to want to board the log raft, and it's going to push you down the waterfall. You're then going to want to talk to Hudson or Hudon, whatever. He's going to tell you that he's not going anywhere, that he's looking for treasure. And then now your task is going to be to get off the waterfall. So you're going to want to use the rope on the rock. Don't swim to the rock. Use the rope on the rock. And that's going to pull you down here. And then from there, you're going to want to use the rope on the tree. And it's going to lower you down. Then get in the barrel, because if not, then you're going to be washed away. And it's going to hurt you by like 8 points. After this, you're going to want to go to this house. My bad, I was walking the wrong way. You're going to want to go inside this house over here and talk to Hadley. So talk to Hadley. Hello there. It's going to tell you that people are coming around for fishing. You don't have to talk to him about anything specifically, I don't believe. So talk to him, and then you're going to head back over to Almera's house. And it's kind of a long process because you go to Hadley's, then you go to Almera's, then you go back to Hadley's. So talk to Hadley, and then head back over to Almera's. So once you're at Almera's, you're going to want to talk to her again. And I believe you're just going to talk to her about her boy telling you that he's not going to come home and that he's going to stay at the end of the waterfall. So go ahead and talk to her. Yeah, he's refused to come back. Okay, and then she asks you to visit the tourist center. And just a quick tip, a faster way to get there is to just go back through the waterfall, because it just brings you right outside their house. So go ahead and board the raft again, fall down, walk down here, then use the rope. Oops. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Okay. I completely just messed up. Oh well. I actually didn't lose any hit points. What? That's awesome. Did you see that, guys? I didn't lose any hit points although I fell down the waterfall. So you're going to go back down the waterfall, and then we'll run back in here and talk to Hadley. Wait, no, you don't have to talk to Hadley. I'm sorry. You go up the staircase, and then you find the Book of Baxter or Boakster. So search the bookcase. Okay, or Backstorian. Yeah, I was definitely wrong. Now you talk to Hadley again. Ask him about the Elf King. And then you tell him thank you. Now what you're going to want to do is go to Gnome Village, not the Gnome Stronghold. That is a complete different place. So head over to Gnome Village. and I will meet you there. Okay, guys, so now we are at the maze part of the quest, and I am currently walking around trying to find the freaking entrance. Okay, alright, I finally found an entrance, but it doesn't. Okay, here we go. There's a little white dot. He looks like he knows what he's doing. Okay, so we're going to go in this entrance right here, inside the maze. And remember, we're going to the village, not the stronghold. So you're going to want to go into this, and if you have any run, go ahead and switch that bad boy on. And what you can do is you can just click on your mini map on the white spot, or like on the other white dots that are walking, and it should be able to take you to where you need to be. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, I think. I hope. Okay, yeah. Just go ahead and click on this, and if you need to, you can pause my video and watch it slowly, so that way you'll know exactly where to go. Okay, I remember now. So you're going to want to run through here, and oh, this is so long. These giants shouldn't hurt you that bad. I mean, they will if you're level 3, but if you can just go ahead and throw on some armor, that's what I meant to say earlier. If you throw on like bronze armor and you have like your inventory like this, then you should be good. So you're going to want to come over here, and then once you're at the very end of the maze, you're going to want to head down this ladder. Alright. Now, we're going to go right. And okay, guys, I am completely sorry, but remember this, because I just spent 10 minutes trying to find this key and I couldn't. You have to open up the book and read it before you go and talk to Hadley. Again, you have to open the book, so that way you can be able to obtain the key. If you don't open the book, you won't be able to find the key. So that's just a rule of thumb. So after you find the key, you're going to want to go back to the left or to the right, whichever way, and use the key on the gate. Or the door, my bad. If I can get there. Use the key on the door, and then open the door, and you're good. You're in. Now you're going to want to talk to the gnome and get the pebble, and then climb up the ladder and go out the same way that you came in. So talk to Glory. Where did he go? Okay, I don't know. Alright, talk to Glory. Gorley. And then you look on the floor. Make sure the junk you find is pebble. Can I take this all? Okay, yeah, you have to actually stop and like not move, and then you look for it and then ask if you can have it. There's the pebble, and then you have to talk to him again. Okay, never mind. It's recommended Okay. Now you just want to go back out the way that you came. But like I was saying, it's recommended to drop this and then get another one and like 3 or 4 more, because in case you die. But if you have stats like me, I'm not really that high of a defense, but I'm at least 6, and then I have full steel, so I was okay right through here. And then I got kebabs, so I should be good on that too for food for the next part that we're going to be going in. So I will start filming whenever I get to the next part. Okay guys, just a quick reminder, for this next part, after you come out of the maze, you're going to want to go and store all of your armor into your bank, because the place that you're going to go, there's a high chance of you being able to die. And so you want to go ahead and store all your armor into your bank, except for the items that are needed for the quest. So you can go ahead and take these runes with you if you like, if you don't think that you're going to die. But just for the sake of it, I'm going to go ahead and store these back in too. So I also need my boots. Wouldn't want to lose those. So yeah, store your armor in your bank, and I'll start recording again whenever I get to Almera's house. Okay guys, and we're here. Right outside their house, or his house, is going to be a tombstone. What you're going to want to do is use the pebble that you have right here with the tombstone. And so you use it with that, and you're going to then fall down. This is the part that everyone's talking about, people getting killed. I honestly have no worry about getting killed. If I do, it will be probably really hilarious. But I forget if you go straight. Yeah, you go straight. So make sure that you have full HP. I have 16. Make sure your run's on it. You have at least like 25. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it with like 10. Run through here. He's gonna hit you once. Just go ahead and eat after he hits you, and then search it, and then run back through. Make sure you have full HP when you run back through too. He is gonna hit me pretty hard. Eat up. Just keep eating. Keep eating. That was a hard hit. Then you go back up. Oh wait, my bad. You do not go back up. Use the with it again. You have to go the other way now. I really wish I would have not done that. I just wasted food. So you want to go back down. Well, you're going to want to stay down. Don't come back up. Then read. Why won't it let me go back down? Okay, use the pebble with the tombstone. Okay, you have to get rid of this if you accidentally... Yeah, if you accidentally come back up, you have to get rid of the amulet, and then it'll let you go back down. Make sure you have run. He didn't even hit me that time. Sweet. You take that. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a food. And then you go to the other side. And when you're on the other side, you open up the coffin and it gives you the urn. Then you go back and climb out. There's another moss giant, so watch out for that. Okay, now that you have the urn, you're going to want to run out. Make sure that you have full HP. That was risky bisky right there. Okay, now I only have 3 kebabs. that's not really good. Maybe I should pick up some food. No, because that's going to be really risky. And then you go back up the ladder. You're going to want to keep the urn and the amulet, and you're going to go and get your armor and more food and weapons. So I will start reporting after that. So once you're back to her house, make sure that you have all your runes first, and you're going to want to throw on that amulet, and then you're going to want to go ahead and get back on the raft. And then you're going to want to go down and basically just like what you were doing before, except you're going to want to go actually into the door.
She told me you an asshole, superficial douchebag. Wishing that you knew that you could have these shoes back. All of this perfume back, necklaces and jewels back. All the shit you bought me, she said I want you back. I can't be seen again with you and none of your friends. It's so hard to pretend that it's like it was way back when. I thought you used to be the one who's back. All of this perfume back, necklaces and jewels back. All the shit you bought me, she said I want you back. I can't be seen again with you and none of your friends. It's so hard to pretend that it's like it was way back when. I thought you used to be the one, I guess you don't.